Hi, I'm Helena, and in this video I will review First Formations, one of the most well-known company formation agents in the UK. With over 1 million companies formed and a 4.8 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot, I will review their pricing and value, ease of use, services, and customer support. And if at any point you want to check out First Formations yourself, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, before we dive into First Formations, let's answer a fundamental question. Why use a company formation agent at all? The alternative is registering your company yourself through Companies House, which has the lowest cost since there are no middlemen. But here's the catch. While it is the cheapest option, you'll be responsible for ensuring all your details are correct. You will also manage compliance and handle any additional administrative work yourself. If you make mistakes, it could cost you more in amendments and delays. A formation agent simplifies this entire process, ensuring everything is correctly filed while often bundling additional services like a registered office address, business bank account setup, and VAT registration. Now, let's review First Formations' pricing and value. First Formations is one of the most competitively priced company formation agents in the UK. I will compare the pricing of First Formations against Companies Made Simple, which is another well-known formation agent in the UK. The biggest advantage of First Formations is that all their packages include the £50 Companies House filing fee. This makes their digital package, £52.99, the lowest true cost option available in the market. By comparison, Companies Made Simple's basic package, £54.99, is slightly more expensive. And be aware of companies advertising lower than £50 formation packages. These base prices exclude the mandatory government fee, making their actual costs higher. For those who value privacy, the privacy package includes a registered office address and is slightly cheaper than the equivalent package from Companies Made Simple. The all-inclusive package offers additional services like VAT, a confirmation statement filing, and a business address service, making it an excellent all-in-one solution. For ongoing services, First Formation's renewal prices remain competitive. They provide, for example, registered office address, which is priced £39 per year, and the pricing is quite similar to Companies Made Simple. Service address, £26 per year, and business address service, £96 per year. Overall, First Formation stands out for its transparent pricing and the inclusion of the Companies House fee in all its packages. This makes it a cost-effective and straightforward choice, particularly for those looking for an affordable, hassle-free company formation service. Next, let's look at the ease of use. One of the biggest advantages of First Formations is how simple the process is. Their website is incredibly user-friendly, guiding you step by step through the company formation process. You enter your desired company name to check availability, then you select a package, fill out the details, and submit your application. Most applications are approved within 24 hours. Compared to going directly through Companies House, where you're left to navigate yourself, First Formation makes it almost foolproof. Companies House provides minimal guidance, requiring you to understand terms like SIC codes, share structures, and compliance requirements on your own. Any mistakes in the application can cause delays or rejection, leading to extra administrative work. Additionally, First Formations offers live customer support via phone and chat, whereas Companies House does not provide real-time assistance. Many Trustpilot reviews agree with me about how straightforward and user-friendly First Formations is, especially when compared to the other services. I see all these first-time business owners mentioning how much easier it was to navigate than they expected. They had a clear guidance at every step. And and responsive customer support. Next, let's look at the services. What we are really paying for with Formation Agent is convenience and additional services. First Formations offers a range of add-ons that can be incredibly useful, especially for first-time business owners who may not be familiar with all the legal and administrative requirements of running a company in the UK. Let's go through some of the key services they offer and why I think they are worth considering. First, the Registered Office Address service allows you to use First Formation's London location as your official company address. This is particularly useful if you run your business from home and do not want your personal address to be publicly listed on Companies House. Without this service, your home address would be visible to anyone searching for your company, which can lead to privacy concerns and unwanted mail. Next, the Director's Service Address is another privacy-focused feature. When you register a company, the director's address is also made public. And this service allows you to use First Formation's address instead, ensuring your personal information stays private while still complying with the UK regulations. The Business Bank Account Setup is a service that simplifies the process of opening a UK business bank account. Many banks require proof of business registration and sometimes additional verification, which can slow things down. First Formations works with several UK banks to provide an easy account setup process. And for those who need to register for taxes, the VAT registration service can be a huge time saver. First Formations handles these processes for you, ensuring you're set up correctly with HMRC from the start. If you do this on your own, you need to navigate HMRC's registration systems, which can be complex and time-consuming. Another valuable service is their company secretarial services. This is designed to help business owners stay compliant with Companies House by managing annual filings, confirmation statements, and any necessary company changes. If you're unfamiliar with the legal obligations of running a company, failing to file the correct documents on time can result in penalties. With this service, First Formations takes care of all these requirements, ensuring you remain compliant year-round. For non-resident entrepreneurs looking to start a UK company, First Formations offers great value. Their non-residence package, priced at £149.99, includes the Companies House filing fee, a UK business banking referral, 3 address services, VAT registration, and confirmation statement filing, all at a lower cost than Companies Made Simple's international package. Additionally, First Formations provides worldwide document delivery and same-day digital mail scanning, making it easier to manage everything remotely. Compared to the Companies Made Simple's international package, given the price difference and the extensive features offered, I would go with First Formations for its transparent pricing and better overall value. In the end, while it's possible to handle all these tasks yourself, doing so requires time, effort, and knowledge of the UK business regulations. If you want to focus on actually running your business rather than dealing with paperwork, these services can provide significant peace of mind and efficiency. Let's look at the customer support. My personal experience with First Formations has been super positive. The process was smooth and their customer support was responsive whenever I had questions. The platform is well designed, making company registration straightforward. However, I wanted to see what other customers thought, so I checked Trustpilot reviews to get a broader perspective. Most reviews on Trustpilot praise First Formations for their quick and efficient service. Many customers highlight how easy the process was and commend the helpful support team. That being said, no service is perfect. Some negative reviews point out concerns with upselling. Others mention price increases for renewals after the first year, particularly for services like registered office and mail forwarding. Overall, while my personal experience has been positive, I recognize that some customers have raised concerns, particularly regarding pricing and upselling. However, the majority of feedback remains overwhelmingly positive, highlighting First Formation's ease of use, customer support, and comprehensive service offerings. Overall, First Formation stands out as a reliable and competitively priced company formation agent in the UK. They offer transparent pricing, with all packages including the company's house filing fee, making them one of the most cost-effective options. Their platform is easy to use, guiding users step by step through the registration process, and their customer support is responsive and helpful. Beyond formation, they provide valuable services like registered office address, director service address, business bank account setup, and tax registration, which can save time and protect privacy. While some users have noted upselling and renewal price increases, the overall feedback is positive, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot. So, if you're looking for a straightforward, hassle-free way to register your company, First Formations is a solid choice. And if you want to check them out, use the links in the description. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.